Hey Trish, I just want you to do this project for me. So I'm going to give you this spreadsheet, copy the name of the company, and we're just going to do a Google search. And what we're looking for are, and I'll just give you examples here in a second. So we just do a Google search, see if that company has a website. If they don't, we just move on to the next one. And then what we look at is a lot of times they'll say things about services or projects, and and we can go in and we can take a look at some of the different projects that they're looking for. And the stuff that I'm really looking for, I've got a couple examples here. We're looking for people that are building oil filled facilities or tank batteries. Are kind of our key components. So if we come in and typical website here, under their services, they can talk a little bit about their services. If we see an image of a tank battery like this, or if it says that they're doing a facility construction, then that would be somebody that we want to then go back to the spreadsheet. And when we go to the spreadsheet, if they do that in the column that says tanks, just type in yes. And what you can also do is we'll put their website over here. You can copy the link to their website and put that in there for me as well, so I can just make it a little easier for me to go in and click through to that site. Here's another example of a customer. We come onto the site, we can see those tank batteries there, so that looks great. We look at it and see if there's anything that says that they do field service or a facility construction. And then here we can see their list. Sometimes again they'll have images of things that they've done. So here's an example of another company. We come in and we take a look at it and we say services, and we'll see here it doesn't vessel equipment doesn't really say that they do facility or pad facility construction, tank battery expansion. So there's our tank battery. So we got battery, we got facility, we have tanks. Those are all the things that we're interested in when we click on their projects. Sometimes that is where the information is. And then here's an example of another account. Again, when we come into the account, we can see here, bang, there's a picture of the tank battery. So that instantly, if they're kind of showing that, we would say yes. We can look at their services. Typically it's either under general construction or field services, and then it might say something about facility. So there's pipeline construction, facility construction. So we're definitely interested in that. And here they don't have a projects one, but if they did, we could go in and take a look at that and see if there's any projects on that side of it. So definite, it'll scream if it kind of screams, hey, they build batteries, facilities, and there's tanks. Then put a yes in there and put the link to their website. If it's a little hard to find it, then let's move on to the next one.